All right, everybody. So in this particular video, I'm actually going to be talking about retargeting. Now, when it comes to retargeting and what we're going to be doing, and don't worry, I know I haven't showed you how to piece together an ad just yet. It's because I want everything to kind of come together right now. So essentially, I showed you before that you can get a video created from Animoto, right? So we're going to go ahead and use Animoto to create anywhere from 45 seconds to a minute and 30-second video. So now that we have this particular video, what's actually going to be happening is we're going to be creating a PPE ad. Now, this ad is going to be structured in such a way where, let me just kind of do this really quickly. As a matter of fact, just quickly go ahead and just clear all of this. All right, so 1 second. All right, so it looks pretty bland over here, but bear with me. All right, cool. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go and create a PPE ad. So it's a paid post engagement. So all you're paying for is people to like, all right, share, comment, all right, and pretty much watch your video. So engage. So this is an engagement, all right, engagement where somebody's engaging with your particular video. Now, what we're going to be doing for this video is pretty simple. We're going to have options to retarget, and I'm going to show you how to create custom audiences when we piece this all together. But what we're going to be focusing on is 50% and 95%. Again, the smaller or shorter your video is. So if you have a 45-second video, let's just say 1 minute actually, right? So you have a 1-minute video. That means somebody watches 30 seconds of it, or, whoops, 30%, not 30%, but 30 seconds if they watch 50%. Or 95% means they watch, like what, 55 seconds or so. So that means these people are highly engaged and they are ready to go ahead and pretty much spend money with you. It's just that you have to properly retarget them. However, when you create your ad, your PPE ad, let's not forget how a Facebook ad is actually structured. So you're going to have your little video right over here, right? So you have your video and then you have your headline and a little button right here and then comments and you have your page over here. You're actually going to just put like a little bit of an emoji, kind of a hook sinker and, hook sinker right here, kind of just to hook people in. And then a little one paragraph with 2 to 3 sentences right over here. And then what you're going to do is arrows like this with links. Okay, so you're going to have 2 links over here. And when we put, piece this all together, I'm going to show you what I mean exactly and kind of give you examples of our ads, etc. So now that you have this particular video created, what you want to do is pretty dang simple. You want to go into Facebook and create a PPE ad. Now, I already talked about this. Now, this PPE ad, you're going to go out there and you're going to target cold traffic. Now, from this cold traffic, right, let's just say you have a maximum budget of $100. So you might be able to get what? Let's just say 15,000 views on the low end. So you get 15,000 views on this ad. Now, 15,000 views for a video is pretty decent. And here's the thing that you have to keep in mind. Out of these 15,000 views, there's going to be 2 different routes, okay? People that immediately buy because, like I said, you want to have a link in the actual ad as well. And out of the rest, you have 2 options, 50%, which again, if your video is 1 minute, this should have like 4,000 people in the audience. However, in the custom audience, if you have 95% as well, this might have, 800 people out of 15,000. So when it comes down to it, you're going to be able to go out there and make immediate sales to recoup the amount of money you spent over here with cold traffic. However, these 2 right over here, let me change the color of this right now. What we're going to be doing is creating 2 different type of ads. So you need to figure this out right now. This is a retargeting ad. So again, I'm just going to kind of put a little retargeting symbol right here. All right, so that's the way I indicate retargeting. All right. So you're creating retargeting ads, and these particular ads, the one with 800 is going to go right to the product. Okay, right to the product, where if they decide, they can purchase right away. So your product page. However, this 4,000 people, what you're going to be doing over here is you have one of 2 options, okay? And this is why I want to add another arrow over here. You can take them to the product just like over here. So essentially, you can pretty much link it right back. You can take them right to the product, or okay, what you can do is you can bundle, all right, with a funnel. So you can run funnels and bundle offers with, percentage off, take 50% off, whatever it is. And that's essentially how you're going to be able to go out and structure running retargeting campaigns. So the perfect retargeting is 50% equals kind of like an exclusive deal, okay? And then what you have 95% equals offer, all right, the product, they watched. All right, so they watched on. So 95% goes right to the product, and if you want to get, a little fancy with it, you can take them right to a funnel where it has, an exclusive deal for them, and this is where a lot of your money is going to be made as well. And here's the thing, with this audience, you can still run an exclusive deal. So you can have the exclusive deal going to literally whatever you want. And if you want to flip-flop it, right, 800 people to exclusive deal and 4,000 people to product, okay, to the product they watched a video on, plus percentage or coupon, right, or a coupon. So that's essentially what the retargeting strategy is. It's very, very simple. And I'm actually going to go ahead and show you how you can go and take a video and pretty much create a retargeting database from a video that you're running ads to. So again, I'm actually going to show that to you right now. So let me just kind of give you an example right over here. So let's just go to, where is this? Business Manager. And here's the Amazon Seller Mastery that we're working with. What you're going to do is you're going to actually go to All Tools, okay, and then go to, you're going to go over to Assets and to Audiences. And to create a retargeting database, it's fairly simple. It's nothing too complex. What you're going to do is right over here. Create Audience, Custom Audience, all right, Custom Audience right over here. And then you're going to click on Engagement Video, and then you're going to just choose 50%, choose Video, and you just click on Tanner's profile. And right over here, 180,000 people viewed this particular video. So you can click confirm. However, let's just say I want 95% of people who watched the entire video. I can do the same thing. Click right over here. All right, click confirm. And I'm going to create an audience based on 95% of people who watched the video in the last 365 days. So Tanner video, 95% viewed. All right, and then what I'm going to do is click create audience, and what it's going to do right over here, it's going to say populating. It's going to populate and then put the audience right in here. So again, it's pretty simple on what you're doing to create the audience, and once the audience is created, you can go ahead and create an ad or create a lookalike audience from that particular that particular audience that is being created right here. But that's how you create a retargeting audience based on a video, and all you have to do is run a video as a PPE ad. So if you go over here, and let me just show you because we're already here, so why not show you? Let this load really quickly. I'm just going to do from, let's just say the last 30 days, for example. Last 30 days, PPE on a 6-minute video, we're paying 1 cent. We've had around 147,000 people engage with the post and 239,000 people that have been reached. And that's all we're doing. And inside that 180,000 views, this is where it comes into play. 147,000 engagements and 239,000 reach means that anywhere from in between here and this number is how many people are actually have actually viewed that particular video. And that's where we can go ahead and pretty much track and create campaigns based on the fact that they watched the video, and that's how we're going to retarget them. And if you take a look, we've been creating a lot of retargeting campaigns. All right, so these are a lot of retargeting campaigns as well. All right, so again, we have site-wide that we create. Let me just go to results and show you over here. All right, so this is retargeting. This is retargeting. This is retargeting. We create a lot of different retargeting campaigns based on custom audiences that we have as well. And then we have people who watched X, Y, and Z percentage of videos and all that fancy stuff. So that's how we're going out there and creating these type of campaigns, is that we're getting engagement first, and then we're offering them a product once they are engaged with our brand. Right? So again, I'll see you in the next video, and this, you just learned how to go out there and create an ideal retargeting campaign for your business. All right? And again, I'll see you in the next video.